Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to do urgent delivery on SHEIN. So if you first come to the website, just make sure you're logged in. Add items to your cart. Okay, if you're wondering how that is done, just come here, browse through. Okay, let's go ahead and add some of these. Okay, just click here, the sweatshirt, choose your size. We'll do medium, right? And after you've selected everything, come here, add to cart, as you can see right here. Now we have all of this on our card, so we'll go ahead and toggle this one on. Shop SHEIN, view carts are total, okay? And what I want you to do is just proceed to the cart, right? Choose your quantities, whatever you want, and then just go ahead and click here, check out now. And what you'll do, you'll go ahead and enter your address here under shipping address. If you have any coupons, gift cards, use those. And then after that, you come here to the pay section and you'll be choosing express delivery, okay? Express shipping, which basically prioritizes your order for faster processing and delivery. And after the order is placed, you can actually see an option to further expedite it. So if you go to your orders, right? Click on your profile, go to my orders, then you will be able to see the option to expedite as well if it becomes available, and you go ahead and make it much faster. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.